Hi everybody, welcome to the channel. This is gonna be a fast unboxing video. I tried to record it, but my camera settings were not good, so um, I am going to unbox the game, but it's already out of the box. It's called Nova Era from CMON Game. By the way, welcome guys. If you're new to the channel, my name is Edgar. This is the Horde of the Board channel, and I'm going to get this out before my friends come. So this is from CMON Games. Actually, my first CMON game. Is there a designer? Game by Andrea Chiarvesio, if I pronounce it correctly, and art by Agnes Ripoche. And it's with cards and dice. And I haven't gotten a dice game in a while. Well, not counting combat. I do love dice, and I love it when they do dice in different ways. So sorry a little bit for the shadow, it's because of my tripod. So there's a little booklet here. This is really an improvisation. Nova Era with setup, component list. I really like how clean this looks, with a white background and still colorful. Basic combat, component anatomy, gameplay, and more gameplay of gaining resources and playing cards and stuff. It's not that much. Production, cleanup, unrest, the scoring phase, when starting a new era. There's some scoring phase in between, I think. Yeah, and then check for obsolescence, end of game, and a fast play variant. And the round structure on the back of the rulebook, which I do appreciate. There are some tokens. Normal thickness, not too bad. There's some tokens here. We have some of these where you put the dice in. That's some extra tokens. Oh, this is Cleopatra. I thought it was Link because it was a bit far away. Like, are they ripping Zelda off? There's this big track, era track with disaster track and a scoring here. We have a bunch of cards. This is going to be a very fast unboxing. Maybe I will go to the cards. I think there's some personal player boards. A nice insert. There's, as you can see, you can with an edge. So double. It's double. This is the blue one, the pink, orange, and the green. Nice colors. There, the dice are in here. Nice cloth bag, by the way. A big chunky dice. And then we have some cards. Let's open this up. So we have some buildings. There are different colors. Oh. Art is very nice. There's some cost here. So this is craftsmanship, sailing. Very nice cards. Some player aids. There are some Era 1 cards. These are like a little bit different. Oh, these are characters: Isabella, Frederick II, Charlemagne, Leonardo da Vinci, and some characters. Just going to show you a few cards, and that's it. The rest of the cards have this back for the errors. Things like history, mechanics, bureaucracy, laws. Very nice windmills, spectacles. A lot of cards. And I can't wait to get this one to the table. Nice insert. I hope everything fits in here. Sorry for the camera, which is, I need a better camera. Hopefully soon. And this has been unboxing of Nova Era. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time.